Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are going to drop the iQOO 7 Legend from the 1 km height from the ground. So let's get started. Before I drop the phone, let's unbox the phone. I can see guys, let's unbox it. Wow guys, the phone feels really comfortable on the hands. And guys, for this price point, a huge thanks to iQOO for giving us such an option at this price point. The 120Hz smooth AMOLED display is really fun to use. The colors are also really good. Cameras are also really good for this price. So without wasting any time, let's go to our drop location and drop this phone. So we are here to our drop location. Let's hang this phone to our drone. And let's see what happened to this phone. Here you can see we are about 1 km high from the ground. In just few moments we are going to drop this phone. Are you ready guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh guys, the phone takes the input really hard. I think it doesn't survive this test. Let's go to our home and see what happened to this phone. Here you can see the phones, the cracks are everywhere guys. The phone takes the impact really hard. Unfortunately the phone is no longer with us to stay here. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content.